Gaming PC. The ROG Strix LC360, the ROG Strix 3080 White Edition, the Z590A gaming Wi-Fi, and the 850 watt power supply. Wow! And thanks to Crucial for RAM and storage. That's a total of 3 terabytes of storage, or a Call of Duty Warzone update. And EK sent over a ton of gaming fans. We paired the ROG Strix Helios for this case, and there's Doggo for scale. We're gonna bust out the motherboard and put our RAM in, and it looks gorgeous. 64 gigabytes of White Ballistics DDR4 RAM and our Intel 11900K. Insert your CPU into the socket, press it down, and take the cover off. There's cute little graphics on the motherboard. How did we not see this? We're also gonna attach our storage solutions by Crucial, and our M.2s are stacked. And of course, do not forget the peel. We have our case ready to go, and we're going to throw our motherboard in and get everything screwed in. Press the buttons to release the tempered glass from the case and insert your motherboard. It's time to add our AIO, or our all-in-one cooler for our CPU. It's going to get attached to the top of the case like so, and I forgot to add the EK fan, so let's put them in now. And boom, it looks so much better already. We had the CPU block ready, and I put the stands on. Ready to attach, I realized they were the wrong side. I had to redo it. Put in the new screws, and it fit this time. And there it is, with our CPU and our AIO attached. After taking out the PSU shroud, we attached the front panels from the case and connect it to our motherboard. The White Edition power supply fits really well in our build, and it'll fit perfectly for exactly what we want. This case actually shows off the power supply shroud a lot, so it's something we want to pay close attention to. With all of the things plugged in, it looks incredible. The ROG Helios actually works with the ROG Strix riser cable, which allows us to vertically mount our GPU, and you guys have seen this a million times, but we're just going to throw the GPU on there and let's watch it boot up for the first time. And that's how we built Shorty2D's PC.